to my channel. So this is a follow-on video from my Unicorn Cosmetics haul that I did, I think either last week or the week before. I'll link it above at some point anyway. And I'm going to be testing out the products that I showed in the haul. So we're going to be using the, I think this is called the Totemic palette, which has got these really nice colours in. And the highlighter, so this is the Ting Glow Go highlighter, that one there, and some brushes as well. So we've got the Class of 86 set, the eye brushes, and I've actually already done my base. I forgot I had a powder brush, but if we get any fallout, maybe I'll use this. If not, hopefully we won't, but yeah, if not, I'll put it in another video. But yeah, anyway, I'm thinking that I'm going to go for like a really quite a nice bright, like rainbowy, unicorny sort of eyeshadow look. I've kind of looked on Pinterest for a little bit of inspiration, and I've seen a few looks that I quite like, so I think what I'm going to do is kind of merge them together and go from there. Right, so I think the first thing I'm going to do is go into my crease. I'm going to be using this fluffy brush. So this is the, I'd say the medium size, the second biggest fluffy brush. So I'm going to go in my crease with that one, and the colour, I think I'm going to go in with this colour here. So it's the one right at the bottom, Aura. Yeah, that's really nice, really pigmented. And these brushes, I have to say, obviously it's only the first one I've used, but it's really precise. It's just the right size for in the crease. So I'm just going to blend that slightly. Okay. A little bit of fallout around here. Yeah, which come away quite easy. So I think just above that, what I'm going to do is try this brown colour here. I don't know how this is going to go, but I'm just winging it. So I think this is called Mawari. I think that's how you pronounce it. And then I'm just going to blend the two together. And then with the slightly fluffier, bigger brush, I'm just going to blend that edge. Right, so then what I think I'm going to do is just cut that crease, just like a half crease, I think, just on the inner corner. So I'm just going to go away and do that. Right, okay, so I've just cut that inner corner, or inner half. So then I'm just going to go on this outer corner. I think I'm going to go back in with this dark purple colour again, because I did kind of lose quite a lot of that with that colour that I put on the top, although I do like how it looks. So I'm going to go back in with the medium blendy brush again. Right, so then on this inner part, I think what I'm going to do is go with this really pale shimmer just here called Sugar Glider. So I'm going to put that over the top. I'm going to go in partially with my finger and partially with my brush. So I'm going to be using this kind of short, stubby packing brush. I think it's a bit firm, that one, so I'm going to go with this one instead. That's better. So like that. Then I'm going to go underneath. I think I'm actually going to go underneath with the blue. So this dark blue here. I think I'll take the stubby brush that I was going to use before and use that underneath instead. And I'm just going to buff that out a bit with the small one. You know, I really like these brushes. They're really precise and really quite easy to work with. I'm liking these. Right, so on the inner corner, what I think I'm going to do is go for a green shimmer. So I'm going to, I really like this one, but it kind of comes off more of like a iridescent, kind of like that. So it is green. But I think if I popped a little bit of this underneath it, it would make it pop a lot more. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to go back in with the Diddy one and just take a little bit of this green. Hopefully, if I put the other one over the top, it should work well. Yeah, that does work well. I'm really happy with how they've blended. Really, really happy. So easy. Yeah, right, so I'm going to just pop some mascara and some lashes on, and I'll do the same on this eye, and then we'll try out the highlighter. So there's both eyes done, mascara and lashes on. Yeah, really, really liking it. The pigment in that palette is so good. They're so easy to blend. I can really see what the hype's about, and I really like the brushes as well. Really precise, really easy to use. Yeah, definitely be reaching for those, you know, on a regular basis. Right, okay, so we're going to try the highlighter next. I'm going to be going in with my usual highlighter brush because I didn't get a highlighter brush from them. So, I'll show you a quick, I did do a swatch in the haul, but I'll show you. I took a bit much there. It's like that sort of colour, so it's like a champagne gold. Maybe a bit dark for me, but I won't know till it's on, so. Take a little bit to start off with. See what it's like.
We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale.
It's actually really nice. It's nowhere near, got it, you know, it's nowhere near as intense as I thought it was going to be, but in a good way. I thought it was almost going to be too intense, but I actually quite like that.
We could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life.
Yeah, I really like that. That's a really nice highlighter. So there's the finished look, and I really, really like it. I know it's really colourful and really out there, for me anyway, but I think it's really cool. I really like it. Really like working with the palette, really like the brushes and the highlighter. Yeah, I loved all of it. So I'll give you a quick close-up of the eyes.
I don't wanna waste my time.
So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I would really appreciate it. In fact, it would mean the world to me if you really enjoyed this and you would like to see more videos of me and you subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.